Today we are starting a new series with Laravel and we will build a forum by using Laravel. I am using Laravel installer to install Laravel. Let's create the project. Then let's give the project name. I am giving the name. You can choose anything. Let's use JStream. Let's use inertia. None. Let's use paste. No. Okay, I already installed the Laravel. That's why it's showing. Let's move to the folder cd. Let's run the migration. Okay, let's create the database. Our migration is completed. I am using table plus to control the database and see the tables. Let's connect it. Let's give the name forum. Host will be 127. Let's give the port. User will be root. No password. Let's test it. There is little mistake. It should be 1. Connection is okay. Let's connect it. Okay, here is our tables. This is our project. Let's run the project in the browser. I am using Laravel. Then I can tell, okay, let's register. Here is our first user. The JStream provide a nice UI of the backend. It's provide profile. We can change. Save it. It's working.